Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Now the next question is, if m is equal to 2, find the value of these expressions. The first one here is m minus 2. So what we will do, we will put m equal to 2 here. So we will get 2 minus 2 and it is 0. Now let's see the second part of this question. Again we will put m equal to 2 here. So this will be 3 into 2 minus 5. Now 3 into 2 is 6 and then we'll have minus 5. Now 6 minus 5 it is 1. So value of this expression is 1 at m equal to 2. Now the third question here is 9 minus 5m. So this will be 9 minus 5 into 2 because value of m is 2. So this will be 9 minus 10 because minus 5 into 2 is minus 10. Now 9 minus 10, this will be minus 1. Now the next part, it is 3m square minus 2m minus 7. 3m square means 3 into 2 square, that is m square, minus 2 into m, it is 2 only, and then minus 7. Now let's simplify it. We will get 3 into 4 because 2 square is 4. So this is 3 into 4 minus 2 into 2, it is 4. So this is minus 4 minus 7. Now let's simplify it further. We will get 3 into 4, it is 12. Minus 4 minus 7, this will be minus 11. Now 12 minus 11, it is 1. So value of this expression is 1 at m equal to 2. Now the next part. So now the next expression is 5m upon 2 minus 4. So what we will do here, we will put m equal to 2. So this will become 5 into 2 upon 2, that is 5m upon 2 minus 4. Now we can simplify this, we can cancel this 2 with this 2. So we are left with 5 minus 4 and we know 5 minus 4 is 1. So therefore value of this expression, that is 5m upon 2 minus 4, is equal to 1 at m equal to 2. Now let's move to the next question. Now the next question is, if p is equal to minus 2, find the value of these expressions. The first expression is 4p plus 7. So what we will do, we will put p equal to minus 2 here. So we will get 4 into minus 2 plus 7. Now 4 into minus 2, it is minus 8 and then we have plus 7. Now minus 8 plus 7, this will be minus 1. Now let's do for the second expression. Again we will put p equal to minus 2 here. So we will get minus 3 into p square means minus 2 square, plus 4 into p, that is 4 into minus 2 because value of p is minus 2, and then plus 7. So here this is basically 4p plus 7 and here also we had 4p plus 7 and we know value of 4p plus 7 is minus 1. So what we can do, we can directly put this as minus 1. So we will get minus 3 into minus 2 square. Minus 2 square means it is minus 2 into minus 2 and that is 4. Now 4 into minus 3, it is minus 12. So we will get minus 12 minus 1. This is nothing but minus 13. Now the third expression. Here we are having minus 2p cube, then minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. So this minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. This is same as this expression and we know its value is minus 13. So what we will do, we will write this as minus 2 into p cube means minus 2 cube, minus 2 into minus 2 cube, and then we can directly put minus 13 instead of this expression. Now let's simplify this. Minus 2 cube, it is minus 8. Now minus 8 into minus 2, it will be 16 because minus into minus is plus. Now 8 into 2 is 16. Now this is 16 minus 13. 16 minus 13 will be 3. So 3 is the value of this expression at p equal to minus 2. Now let's see the next question. Now the next question is, find the value of the following expressions at x equal to minus 1. So here the first expression is 2x minus 7. So what we are going to do, we are going to put x equal to minus 1. So this will be 2 into minus 1 minus 7. Now 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So this is minus 2 minus 7 and this will be minus 9. Now the second expression, it is minus x plus 2. Minus x means we have to put x equal to minus 1 here. So this will become minus of minus 1 plus 2. Minus of minus 1 is 1 and then we'll have plus 2. 1 plus 2 will give us 3. So value of this expression is 3. Now the third expression, it is x square plus 2x plus 1. So here x square means we'll have minus 1 square because value of x is minus 1. So this is minus 1 square plus 2 into minus 1, that is 2 into x plus 1. Now minus 1 square, it is 1 plus 2 into minus 1, it is minus 2 and then plus 1. Now 1 minus 2, it is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, this will give us 0. So value of this expression is 0 at x equal to minus 1. Now the last expression is 2x square minus x minus 2. Let's put the value of x is minus 1. So this will be 2 into minus 1 square, that is x square, minus of minus 1, this is minus x, x is minus 1 and then minus 2. Now let's simplify it. Minus 1 square, it will be 1. 2 into 1 is 2 and then minus of minus 1, it will be plus 1 and then minus 2. Now plus 2 and minus 2, we can cancel them and we are left with 1. So value of this expression is 1. Now let's see the next question. The question here is, if a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 2, find the value of these given expressions. The first expression is a square plus b square. So we will put a equal to 2 here and b equal to minus 2. So this will give us 2 square plus minus 2 square. Now 2 square is 4 and what is minus 2 square? It is minus 2 into minus 2 and that is also 4. So we will get 4 plus 4 and this is equal to 8. Now the next expression, it is a square plus b square plus ab. Now value of a square plus b square we already know, it is 8. So this will become ab plus 8. Now let's put the value of a and b here. So a is 2, so this becomes 2 into minus 2 as b is minus 2. Then we'll have plus 8. Now 2 into minus 2, it is minus 4 plus 8. Now 8 minus 4 or minus 4 plus 8, it is 4. Now let's see the next expression, it is a square minus b square. Let's put the values here. A square means 2 square minus b square and b square is minus of 2 square. Now this will be equal to 4 because 2 square is 4, then minus 2 square, this is also 4. Now 4 minus 4 is 0. So 0 is the value of this expression, the third one, a square minus b square, at a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 2. Now let's move to the next question. Now here is the next question. When a is equal to 0 and b is minus 1, then the value of the given expressions is, we have to find value of these given expressions when a is equal to 0 and b is minus 1. So let's do it for the first one. We'll put a equal to 0 here and b equal to minus 1. So this will give us 2 into 0 plus 2 into minus 1. Now 2 into 0 is 0. Then 2 into minus 1, it is minus 2. Now 0 minus 2, it is minus 2. Now the next part, here the expression is 2a square plus b square plus 1. So this will be 2 into a square means 2 into 0 square plus b square, that is minus 1 square and then plus 1. So this will be equal to 2 into 0 square, it means 2 into 0 because 0 square is 0 only. So this is 2 into 0, so we'll get 0 from here and then plus minus 1 square. Minus 1 square means 1 and then we'll have plus 1. So 1 plus 1, this will give us 2. Now the third expression, this is 2a square b plus 2ab square plus ab. So what we will do, we will put a equal to 0 here and b equal to minus 1. So this will be 2 into 0 square into minus 1 plus 2 into 0 into minus 1 square plus 0 into minus 1. So we have put a equal to 0 here and b equal to minus 1. So from here, from this term we'll get 0, from here also we'll get 0, and from here also we'll get 0. Now 0 plus 0 plus 0, this will be 0, because why we are getting zeros here, because 2 into 0 into minus 1. So any number into 0 will give us 0 only. So again in the second term also 0 into something is 0, 0 into minus 1 again 0. Now by adding all the 3 zeros we'll get 0 again. Now the last part of this question, here it is a square plus ab plus 2. So a square means 0 square, ab means a into b, that is 0 into b. So this is also 0, and then we are left with plus 2. So therefore answer for this question will be 2. That is, value of this expression at a equal to 0 and b equal to minus 1 is 2. Now let's see the next question. Now the next question is, simplify the expressions and find the values if x is equal to 2. So our first job is to simplify the given expression. So the expression, the first one is x plus 7 plus 4x, we can write this as 4x, 4 into x is 4x, then plus 4 into minus 5, this will be minus 20. So this is the first expression. Now let's simplify it. X plus 4x, this will be 5x, 7 minus 20, it is minus 13. So this is the simplified expression. Now let's put value of x here. So value of x we have to put as 2, as it is given in the question. So now by doing that we will get 5 into 2 minus 13, 5 into 2 is 10, and then we'll have minus 13. Now 10 minus 13, this is minus 3. So therefore value of this expression is minus 3 at x equal to 2. Now the next question, it is 3 into x plus 2, this will be 3x plus 3 into 2, that is 6, and then plus 5x minus 7. Now 3x plus 5x, this is 8x plus 6 minus 7, this will be minus 1. Now let's put x equal to 2. So by putting x equal to 2, we will get 8 into 2 minus 1. 8 into 2 means 16, and then we'll have minus 1. 16 minus 1 is 15. So therefore 15 is the value of this expression at x equal to 2. Now the third expression, it is 6x plus 5 into x minus 2, that will be 5x, 5 into minus 2, this will be minus 10. Now by simplifying we will get 11x, because 6x plus 5x will be 11x, and then minus 10. Now let's put x equal to 2 here. So this will give us 11 into 2 minus 10. Now 11 into 2 is 22, and then we'll have minus 10. Now 22 minus 10 is 12. So therefore 12 is the value of this expression at x equal to 2. Now the last part of this question, the fourth one, here we are having expression as 4 into 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11. 4 into 2x, this will be 8x, minus 4 into minus 1, this is minus 4. So we'll write minus 4 here. Now we are having 8x minus 4 plus 3x plus 11. Now 8x plus 3x, this will be 11x, minus 4 plus 11, this is plus 7. Now what we will do, we will put x equal to 2 here. So by putting x equal to 2, we will get 11 into 2 plus 7. 11 into 2 means 22, and then we'll have plus 7. 22 plus 7, it is 29. So therefore value of this expression at x equal to 2 is 29. Now the next question is, simplify these expressions and find their values if x is equal to 3, a is equal to minus 1, and b is equal to minus 2. So the first expression, let's simplify it first. It is 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. Now 3x minus x, this will be 2x minus 5 plus 9, this is plus 4. Now we are having 2x plus 4, this is the simplified expression. Now what we are going to do, we are going to put x equal to 3 here, as there is only one variable x, so no need of putting a equal to minus 1 and b equal to minus 2, because we are not having any a and b here. So now let's put x equal to 3, so this will give us 2 into 3 plus 4, 2 into 3 is 6, so this will be 6 plus 4 and this is equal to 10. Now the next expression, the second one, it is given 2 minus 8x plus 4x plus 4. Now 2 plus 4, this is 6, minus 8x plus 4x, this will be minus 4x. Now again we will put only the value of x, and which is 3. So what we will get from here, we will get 6 minus 4 into 3, and 4 into 3 is 12, so this will be 6 minus 12, and this is minus 6. So minus 6 is the value of the second expression if x is equal to 3, a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to minus 2. Now the third expression, we are having 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1. Now 3a minus 8a, this will be minus 5a plus 5 plus 1, it is 6. So we are having minus 5a plus 6. Now let's put the value of a here. So we will put a is equal to minus 1. So we will get minus 5 into minus 1 plus 6. Minus 5 into minus 1, this is 5, and then plus 6. 5 plus 6, it is 11. So 11 is the value of this expression at a is equal to minus 1. Now the fourth expression, it is 10 minus 3b minus 4 minus 5b. So we will write this expression first. We are having 10 minus 3b minus 4 minus 5b. Now 10 minus 4, it is 6, minus 3b minus 5b. Minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8, so this will be minus 8b. Now what we will do, we will put the value of b, and the value of b given in the question is minus 2. So let's put b equal to minus 2. So this will give us 6 minus 8 into minus 2. Now minus 8 into minus 2. Minus 8 into minus 2 means plus 16. So this will be 6 plus 16, and this is equal to 22. So value of this expression is 22 at b is equal to minus 2. Now let's see the last expression. Here we are having both a and b. So let's simplify this expression first. So the expression is 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 plus a. 2a plus a, this will give us 3a, and then minus 2b as it is, minus 4 minus 5, this will be minus 9. Now let's put the values of a and b. So what we are going to do, we are going to put a equal to minus 1, b equal to minus 2 here in this expression. So we will get 3 into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 2, because value of b is minus 2, and then we'll have minus 9. Now let's simplify it. 3 into minus 1, this is minus 3, minus 3, then minus 2 into minus 2, this is plus 4, and then minus 9. Now minus 3 plus 4, this will give us 1. Now 1 minus 9, this will be minus 8. So minus 8 is the final value of this expression at a equal to minus 1 and b equal to minus 2. So this is how we can find the values of expression after simplifying them. Now let's move to the next question. Now here is the next question. The first one is, if z is equal to 10, find the value of z cube minus 3 multiplied with z minus 10. So let's simplify this expression first, or we can directly put the value of z as 10 here. So we are having z cube minus 3 into z minus 10. So let's put z equal to 10 here. So what we will get, this will be equal to 10 cube minus 3 into 10 minus 10. Now 10 minus 10 is 0. So 3 into 0 is 0. So we are left with 10 cube, and that is 1000. So value of this expression at z equal to 10 is 1000. Now the second question, it is if p is equal to minus 10, find the value of p square minus 2p minus 100. So the expression is p square minus 2p minus 100. So what we will do here, we will put p is equal to minus 10. So we will get p square means minus 10 square, minus 2p means minus 2 into minus 10, and then minus 100. Now minus 10 square, it is 100, because minus 10 into minus 10, it will be 100, and then minus 2 into minus 10, this will be plus 20, and then minus 100. Now plus 100 and minus 100, we can cancel them, so we are left with 20. So 20 is the value of this expression at p is equal to minus 10. Now let's move to the next question. Now the next question is, what should be the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a equals to 5 when x is equal to 0. So what we are having here, the value of this expression 2x square plus x minus a, it is equal to 5 when we put x equal to 0 here. We have to find the value of a. So let's put x equal to 0 here. So we will get 2 into 0 square plus 0 minus a. Now this will be equal to 5, as it is given that value of this expression is equal to 5 when x is equal to 0. Now from here, by simplifying, we will get 2 into 0 square means 0. So it is 2 into 0, that will be 0 only. 0 plus 0, again 0. Now 0 minus a, this is minus a is equal to 5. We have to get the value of a. So let's multiply both the sides with minus 1. So this will be minus 1 into minus a, that is a, and this is equal to minus 1 into 5, and that is minus 5. So value of a is minus 5. Now let's move to the next question. Now here is the last question of this session. The question is, simplify the expression and find its value when a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 3. The expression is 2 multiplied with a square plus ab, then plus 3 minus ab. So let's simplify this expression first. This is equal to 2a square plus 2ab plus 3 minus ab. So now we have to write 2a square as it is, then plus 2ab minus ab. This will give us plus ab and then plus 3. This is the simplified expression. Now let's put a equal to 5 and b equal to minus 3. So we will get 2 into a square, that is 5 square. So 2 into 5 square plus a into b. A into b means 5 into minus 3, because a is 5 and b is minus 3. So this is 5 into minus 3 and then plus 3. Now let's simplify it. 5 square is 25. 25 into 2 is 50. Then 5 into minus 3, this will be minus 15 and then plus 3. Now 50 minus 15, this is 35. 35 plus 3, this will be 38. So value of this expression at a equal to 5 and b equal to minus 3 is 38. So in this session we have learned how to find value of any expression for the given value of the variable used in that expression. So that's all for this session. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos like this.